AI Educator Pro. Scale your teaching impact globally, using AI faster. AI Educator Pro is a proven, step-by-step training system designed to help educators, coaches, and course creators scale their online education business, using AI without working longer hours. Built for modern instructors, this program shows you how to transform one piece of content into multiple high-quality assets, using powerful AI workflows. Inside the course, you'll learn how to refresh old videos, create realistic AI teaching avatars, and translate your content into multiple languages to reach global students. Instead of spending 20 to 30 hours each week recording and editing, AI Educator Pro helps you produce up to 10 x more educational content in a fraction of the time. Used by over 1,200 educators and impacting more than 140,000 students worldwide, this system focuses on real-world implementation, not theory. AI Educator Pro is ideal for educators who want sustainable growth, higher revenue, and more personal time, while maintaining quality, authenticity, and student engagement. What is AI Educator Pro, and how does it work? AI Educator Pro is a step-by-step training system designed to help educators, coaches, and course creators scale their online education business using artificial intelligence. Instead of spending endless hours recording, editing, and recreating content, the program teaches you how to multiply what you already have. Inside the course, you learn how to use AI-powered workflows to refresh old videos, create realistic AI teaching avatars, and translate your content into multiple languages, while preserving your voice and presentation style. One lesson can be transformed into several versions for different audiences and global markets. AI Educator Pro focuses on practical implementation, not technical theory. The tools handle the complexity, while the course guides you through proven strategies and action plans. The result is faster content creation, reduced production costs, global reach, and sustainable growth. Without increasing your workload, who should enroll in AI Educator Pro? AI Educator Pro is ideal for educators, coaches, trainers, and course creators who already produce video-based educational content and want to scale without burnout. If you are spending long hours recording, editing, or constantly creating new lessons just to keep up with student demand, this program is designed for you. It's especially valuable for online teachers, business coaches, fitness instructors, language trainers, and professional educators who want to reach a larger audience, including students in the United States and international markets. AI Educator Pro is also a great fit for educators whose revenue has plateaued because content production limits their growth. This program is best for those who are open to using AI tools and willing to invest a few hours per week to implement proven systems. It is not intended for complete beginners with no existing content or anyone looking for quick, effortless results without action. Do I need technical or AI experience to use AI Educator Pro? No. You do not need any technical or AI experience to use AI Educator Pro. The program is specifically designed for educators, coaches, and course creators who may have little to no background in artificial intelligence or advanced technology. All complex technical processes are handled by the AI tools themselves, so you can focus on teaching and content strategy rather than software setup. AI Educator Pro provides clear, step-by-step lessons that walk you through every action. From creating your first AI avatar to translating educational videos into other languages. The training is practical and beginner-friendly, with real examples and guided workflows. Many students create their first AI-powered lesson within hours of starting the course. If you can record a basic video and follow simple instructions, you can successfully implement this system. The emphasis is on ease of use, efficiency, and real-world results, not technical mastery. For more details, click the official website given in the description and know the growth of AI Educator Pro. Thank you.